moving. Rolling. Now seems to have come to a stop. And he's about to get hit by Cromwell. Oh my, Cromwell taking a big shot and rolling. Riley drove over the front of Roland's pickup truck and still smashed low to the ground. And Roland again gets it fired up. Roland again takes a big shot. Flames shooting out to the front of the truck. Cromwell into the back of Riley. Roland cannot possibly get the 44 fired up again. If he does, it'll be a miracle. Cromwell and Riley still moving. Riley backs all the way out of the arena. Cromwell going head on him. This is Riley. Riley gets by and slams hard into the 44 of Rich Roland. Roland, the sitting duck. And now Riley is stuck. That may be a bit of instant karma there as Cromwell lines him up for a shot. Oh, and bang into the back of Riley. Roland just a heap on the front of the arena. Riley still stuck after that big hit on Roland. And he is a sitting duck for Cromwell. Oh, a big hit, and he just lodges him. Riley is free. Cromwell is still moving. Cromwell gets free. Riley is free. Cromwell and Riley still going after each other. Roland can only sit and watch as the 44 will no longer move. And now it appears that Riley and Cromwell are stuck together. That could be it. Track officials got to give him another minute here to see if they get this lodge. Looks like it's over. Roland out of his truck. And that's it. It's over. Yes, indeed. How about a big hand for all these Demolition Derby drivers? That was a good show with a small